All right, so I can't remember the last time I looked in here. Ew.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test.
Not gonna lie, like I just realized that if my space isn't clean, then I become mentally ill, as y'all know. Ow! I don't even know what's in here. I used to be a dirty ass bitch. Yeah, about this. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you. Is it recording? It's been recording? Oh. What the fuck is up? All right, so, ooh, maybe I should not be so vulgar. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I have been traveling for the past couple weeks, and not gonna lie, y'all are so used to me being like the girl that's got her shit together. But if I'm gonna be honest with you, my shit is not together, and I've been like living off of maybe like 4 hours of sleep, not working out, waking up at 2 p.m., ordering food, and just doing nothing. But like, sometimes we need that. But like, when it comes to like it being like a week straight of doing that, I start to get a little bit concerned because y'all know how that turned out. So today I'm gonna be decluttering my whole entire house and cleaning it. I mean, we are gonna go into the depths of things, okay? We're gonna be going into the closets, being like, fuck this shit, fuck this shit, fuck this shit. Minimalism is life. An example here is like, do you guys see how messy my like spice cabinet thingy mabobber is? Like, it's not cute. So we're gonna like get into the depths of things and then also just clean the house, I guess, and just organize. So this is gonna be a jam-packed video. Can you hear that I'm listening to Taylor Swift right now? I created a whole list of shit that we're gonna do today because I know a lot of you are messy ass bitches sitting in your depression room, not getting shit done with clothes all over your floor right now, just like me, okay? I'm not coming for your neck, I'm coming for my neck too. But I created a little to-do list for us today. So we're gonna declutter, which means like getting rid of a bunch of stuff because I realized I usually make the most messes when I have a lot of things because if you guys don't know, I used to be a dirty ass bitch who would clean her room every single like week because my room would just accumulate and get really dirty. And I realized it's just because I had a lot of things. Moving to New York, I was like, oh, I cannot be that bitch anymore. New year, new me. So I decided to like not buy as many things and like constantly get rid of things. And I noticed that whenever I do that, I'm a lot more clean because when you don't have a lot of things, there's nothing to make a mess out of. So we're gonna declutter the closet, get rid of clothes. I like to do this like once a month, by the way. But let's do a little bit of a before. This is what my kitchen is looking like right now. We have trash everywhere. I have to unload the dishwasher actually. Oh, actually I'm having someone come today and repaint some of my walls because coffee be splashing absolutely everywhere. I don't know if you can see here, but it's actually dirty. My stove isn't too messy, but the reason why is because I haven't been cooking. The living room is pretty clean, but it's just because like I've been like lightly cleaning it because not gonna lie, like I just realized that if my space isn't clean, then I become mentally ill, as y'all know. So I've been kind of keeping the space clean, but like I wanna like clean the couches and stuff because it's kind of dirty. This isn't the issue though, that's not the issue. The issue is, to the eye, it seems not that bad, but like, where's the closet? Somebody is gonna come build my closet today because I am not capable of doing that. Someone's gonna come build my closet today so I can hang up my clothes and stuff because without hanging up my clothes, I'll show you in a bit. I don't want no one fucking yelling at me at how messy my bathroom is, okay? I'm a girl that likes to get ready and do her makeup, and sometimes she's just in a rush and she does not have time to be putting shit back, okay? And I've been traveling, you know what I mean? Like usually I have a very organized system of what's going on, but like I said, I've been traveling, but also there's just been a bunch of new makeup and skincare that I've been trying, and we need to get rid of some of the things to realize what we actually like and what we don't like, because right now, I don't even know what's in here. Yeah. About this. This is all my clean laundry that I have to fold. And then this is like a bunch of PR products that I have to put back into over here. So I have like this tower of like skincare, new skincare stuff that I put all my PR in. So we have to organize that today and just like declutter so I know what's actually in here. But this is the guest bedroom where I just kind of throw everything. But I haven't like organized everything into its spot yet. So we have a lot to do today. So if you want to clean and get motivated, literally just turn this video on and clean with me because this bitch is about to be a long one. I'm gonna start by not doing that room. That's too much for me. What we're gonna start off doing is doing the laundry, cleaning the clothes and cleaning the sheets, because while that's all cycling, we could be cleaning. So let's do that. I'm gonna be listening to my throwbacks playlist. I'll link it down below, but this is the OG playlist that I've always played for my cleaning my room at 2 a.m. videos. I'll link it down below. It's like all the throwback songs. It's motivating. All right, let's get to cleaning. Ow! I just fucking broke my nail. Do you guys know how to do laundry? Because my filmer does not know how to do laundry. And like he has his headphones in right now so he can't hear what I'm saying. He doesn't know what I'm talking shit about. But you know what? I'm gonna teach y'all today if you guys don't know, because before I moved out, I didn't know how to do laundry either, but I'm gonna teach you. Oh my God, I don't use dryer sheets anymore. I use these like little balls. but you like put them in here and like it doesn't make it staticky and you don't have to like use dryer sheets. Did y'all know you have to clean your lint trap, by the way? You gotta do it because if you don't, your clothes don't dry. And you can start a fire. Fire. Y'all gotta clean your sheets every 2 weeks. I personally like it to do it every week, but that's honestly pushing it. I got these from Brooklinen and they're honestly like the best sheets that I've ever had and they're so pretty. I'll also link them down below. Okay. If you don't know how to do laundry, this is how you do laundry. This one's for you, Fabian. So what you wanna do is take your laundry detergent, open up this compartment, take this, fill up the cup, put it in. It does not matter what laundry detergent you use. I just picked the cheapest one. Then you're gonna go here. We're gonna sanitize it, actually. Why? It was the time of the month. And then we're gonna go start, and boom, that bitch is going. Now that we have that done, we're gonna just like put things in its spot, put all the little things away, all that stuff. Let's do it. Do y'all see how dirty this shit is? I got rid of like half of my closet, I would say, and these are the clothes that I have left, but I have more like that I need to fold, and these are just like more out of wear and hoodies. Most of them are just like my own hoodies that I've dropped so far. Merch drop.
Speaking of merch, if you guys don't know, I have my own clothing line called Alchemy, and I dropped last month secretly on the Spam account, which is my private Instagram. We sold out, but I'm gonna be doing another exclusive, a one-time drop this month, so if you guys wanna make sure you're notified right away, follow the Alchemy Instagram account.
I'm just gonna put them in the bags for now. I have all these clothes in this box too that I need to get rid of. Holy fuck, this isn't even done yet, but I have already 3 trash bags full of clothes. And the thing is, like, I don't even be buying clothes like that. I just keep getting rid of more clothes. That's the thing. Like, I feel like my wardrobe is just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Ugh, these are a lot of fucking clothes. But I feel just like so much more free knowing that like this isn't in my house anymore. You know what I mean? I just feel so like light throwing things away. I don't know, like, you know, people have like, the issue of like hoarding. I feel like I have the opposite issue where like I can throw things away so fast, but I think that's like a good issue to have. I used to not be like that though. I had to like watch a bunch of videos of minimalism and like drill it into my brain. So what have we completed so far? We have washed the sheets and clothes, decluttered because we've done the clothes, utensils, and makeup and skincare. Wow, look at us go. Now that we have like the bulk of things done, it's now more like the finishing touches, you know what I mean? So I feel like I'm gonna put all the dirty dishes in here and put the new dishes away, and then we're gonna clean out the fridge. Something that I'm also trying to do is that whenever I have dirty dishes, I mean, clearly I'm not doing it, but I wanna just literally put things in the dishwasher right after I'm done instead of throwing them in the sink, because I feel like doing that would make me so much more of a clean person, but I don't do that, so. I hate doing dishes. Bro, sometimes I forget that I'm actually a fucking dumbass. Ugh. All right, loaded up the dishwasher. Boom. Wow, look at that. We just did the dishes. Now, time to clean out the fridge. All right, so I can't remember the last time I looked in here, but there's just like a bunch of old ass vegetables. And I know y'all are gonna be like, oh my God, Mai, you're wasting food. But how was I supposed to know that I needed to eat everything before I impulsively traveled? Ew, moldy ass mushrooms. Mmm, cauliflower. I'm like, ugh, the last thing that I wanna do is deep clean this fridge. For some reason, I'm like, that's literally the last thing I wanna do. I'm getting lazy. Ugh, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Stop being such a lazy. My.
2 seconds later.
All right, I just cleared out the fridge. Time to wipe it down because there's like all this gross shit all over it. This is how you know like I'm really deep cleaning, is when I'm taking out the drawers and shit. Like, fuck. Wow, look at me being so responsible, guys. Oh my God, wow. I'm gonna use these new microfiber cleaning cloths from Grove. They sent them to me. Look how clean that is. Wow, so fresh. I actually feel like such an adult right now, not gonna lie, cleaning my fridge. Like, what the fuck? Who am I? I've completed clean out the fridge. I think now I want to put everything like back into its positions. You know what I mean? Like organize my bathroom mostly. Because I still have the guest room that I have to clean out, but I think I want to do that tomorrow, not gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna organize the bathroom and like put everything back and then wipe down the counters and like all the surfaces in the bathroom and then wipe down all the counters here and stuff like that. Let's do that. Ew, I just realized that I do not want to wait for this shit to dry. So I'm just gonna put it back in here and then clean it tomorrow. That's enough. This is like the most satisfying part in my opinion.
In the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test, got a lot on.